Okay, gotcha. We got first game, this is Game & Watch, Falco. I can't tell what's going on screen right now, but here we go. We got our first matchup. Yes, sir.
So this really is just a rock, paper, scissors right there.
And then you got scissors with his wings, with the Falco wings, right? It's like, you know, he's always making the slicing sound effect if he's hitting you with the wings, right? How are his wings? That's my question.
Maybe he has like
Maybe. But then again, yeah, this is very much also supposed to be the gambler of the roster or something like that. So this like side thing. Oh yeah, that's right. I guess he got his gambling dethroned or something like that. Unfortunately, but I guess one of two gambling characters. And speaking of gambling, looks like Falco took a big risk with that unsmash at 1 out of 9 chance. I always say. Yeah.
Gaming Watch is more like the whole people that are playing poker after like 20 years. Heroes that knew it stuff.
I can't tell what's going on, bro. It is too lobotomizing in here. Hang on. Let me give me a second to get my thoughts back in.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot going on. It's a pretty crowded room, but we love to have here. And both of us two
yeah, for sure. But then again, with great talent comes a lot of sweat. Honestly, I can't handle all the sweat, so here I am on the mic. Hey, you know what? It's equally as fun. Is that down to or am I tripping? What? Really? Dang. Okay, well, I might ask a lot of Smash questions. I have more seen competitive Smash within the past year, I want to say. So, yeah, actually crazy. I know. Back on the side, and Falco already hits him with the the forbidden taunt. Hands off my, yeah, but you know, that's infamous. I can't believe that joke is still like, how old is Smash Ultimate now?
It'll be 6 years in December.
6 years already? It feels like it was out yesterday or something like that.
It's been longer. Smash Ultimate has been out longer than the distance time between Brawl and Smash.
Wow. So I guess we're all old at the end of the day. And Falco gets that nasty spike, giving, is that honk? Or is that honk is now in the lead with the character that doesn't even honk. With Falco, with that nasty down spike. Yeah, exactly. There's no decent smash, so he had to do with the Falcon. Not that that makes any sense. Okay, so now it's 1-0 in Honk's favor. If Honk gets a 2-0, that would be kind of funny, but then again, you'd be feeling back to the third. But you always have to remember this always losers bracket. So they're locking in their picks for the next round, and Game & Watch looks like he might be changing colors. Never mind, they're locking in the same card, they're running it back. Same page, I don't know.
Mid-set coaching!
3, 2,
oh, now they're playing Smashville, let's find out. Okay, so I don't know what's so popular about Smashville, but it's a really funny stage to look at because it's Animal Crossing. Imagine like two characters from like different franchises are just duking it out in the middle of the street, like a Street Fighter or something like that. It's just like, you know.
Smashville is very interesting because other games it was the most popular competitive stage, and it's been kind of switched a lot in this game, and a lot of they want to approach it to be super aggressive.
Oh my goodness, bro. Did you see that? Oh no, it looks like Game & Watch is not having it today. 94 off of back here off stage? I thought that block back here was like a combo tool like the blue player that is here. Bro, is he having a bad day at the game or something like that? What's with 4 consecutive blue players? Wait, why do we have a bunch of fish and a turtle? Where is he stealing all this from?
I think
Man, I can tell you, SeaWorld can have nothing nowadays.
That's what, you know what? That's why he has the key for us down there.
Oh, so we can free the whales, like
Yeah,
free Willy.
free the whales.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's back here, kills again. Third is looking great. He really may have unlocked the key to his heart, like Sora, or something like that. He just has a key for his down air. Oh my, and then he got a nasty back here. Honk, sorry, I can't keep track of things nowadays. Well. Oh wait, we got a wombo combo? Oh, never mind. Never mind. It's not a wombo combo. I keep thinking like any combo in Smash Bros. Is a wombo combo. Boys?
Oh, never mind. I already got a point.
Oh, so you can just automatically report. You don't have to go like, you don't have to have the or something like that to report something.
No,
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay.
oh my gosh, so like 30 seconds only.
Whoa, what a comeback! What the heck? Now there's only an 18% lead. Bro, this Game & Watch, lock in or you're gonna sell the entire thing. I'm sorry! Oh no, I might have thrown it too soon. You know, it would be really funny if Mr. Game & Watch hits a 9 right now, right? It would be really funny if it hits a 9. I'm wondering if the commentator skills worse, bro. Like, okay, come on. Slam the side, bro. Hey, Gamble, you know 99% of Gamble is quit before they hit big. So... Got you. Wait. It's a little looking rough for the game. Looks like it's over with that down. Why do both of their down tilts kill? What the heck? What is these characters killing with down tilt? Bro, like, was that an entire plane runner or what? Anyway, that was a good game for that was a good game between Honk and Third. Although Honk ended up honking his Game & Watch at the end of the day, which is quite unfortunate. But hey, you know what? It's competitive Smash Bros. GG's to Honk and GG's to Third. Can't wait to see him again on stream. Who's next?